African beautiful fashion and lifestyle on all social media platforms. Hey! Hey! Okay, I say welcome to African beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Discover the vibrant world of African fashion, culture and lifestyle right here. Yeah. We celebrate the rich tapestry of African beauty and elegancy. Showcases stunning fashion trends, traditional attire, and daily inspiration. Join our community. So why not tell your daddy, tell your mommy, tell your sisters too. And why not tell your brother that you come to African beauty and lifestyle. Oh no no no, oh no no no, a fashion lifestyle. Oh no no, African beauty, a fashion lifestyle. Did you tell your friends about African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Did you tell them, oh, African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Join our community to explore the essence of African through clothing, accessories, travel, cuisines all over the world. Let's embrace the beauty, diversity, and traditions that makes Africa truly unique. So why not tell your daddy, tell your mommy, tell your sisters too. And why not tell your brother that you come to African beauty and lifestyle? Oh no no no, oh no no no, So why not tell your daddy, tell your mommy, tell your sisters too. And why not tell your brother that you come to African beauty and lifestyle? Have you told them African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Have you told them African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Did you tell your friends about African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Did you tell them, oh, African beauty, a fashion lifestyle? Intercontinental cuisines around the world, special cuisines, oh.